A magnetic slime robot is a soft, self-regenerating robot made of polyvinyl alcohol borax and neodymium magnet. A magnetic field can guide it through narrow spaces, pick up items, and repair circuits. It can be used inside the body to retrieve accidentally swallowed objects or prevent hazardous leaks. Professor Li Zhang from the Chinese University of Hong Kong was one of the co-creators. As magnetic slime robots are still in development, it's challenging to determine their price. It may cost anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s, depending on materials and manufacturing complexity. The use of cheaper or more abundant magnet particles, such as iron oxide or nickel, could reduce costs. The robot's safety and biocompatibility may impact its price, as it is toxic to humans and can release neodymium particles into the body. The robot's size, shape, functionality, and market demand and supply can also affect its price. We estimated that a magnetic slime robot could cost between $500 and $5,000. People with visual impairments or compromised vision can benefit from the gadget known as eSight. A camera, screens, sensors, and algorithms are all housed in a pair of technological glasses in front of the user. The camera takes photos, and then the algorithms enhance them. Users can see more details and clarity due to the screens that display the photographs. You can use eSight for various activities, such as reading, watching TV, working, and traveling. In addition to being able to connect wirelessly and receive updates from the cloud, it also includes features like zoom, freeze, color adjustment, and contrast. The latest and advanced model, eSight 4, is sold for 6,150 Krbs. However, you can rent it for just $199 per month. Many people with visual impairments can greatly benefit from the life-changing technology known as eSight. One of these companies is Fluid Reality, which manufactures and sells haptic gloves for augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, that are high-resolution and wireless. The gloves can mimic a wide range of object characteristics and space-time effects, using arrays of electroosmotic pumps that generate arrays of finger pads that change shape. These gloves can be mass-produced at affordable prices for consumers, as they are wireless, small, and energy efficient. The current price for a pair of Fluid Reality gloves is $1,499. With this purchase, you also gain access to a library of compatible AR and VR applications, along with a 1-year warranty. Oculus Quest, HTC Vive, and Microsoft HoloLens are just a few of the virtual and augmented reality headsets that work with these gloves. You can use them as a standalone device or pair them with your smartphone or tablet. A piece of futuristic technology, the Motorola Bendable concept phone, can change its shape and function according to the user's desires. As an accessory, it can be twisted and coiled around the wrist, and as a stand, it can be adjusted to different viewing angles with its 6.9-inch Full HD Plus display. When folded, the device runs a smaller version of Android, but when laid flat, it runs the full Android experience. The device also features generative artificial intelligence capabilities that allow users to customize their phones with various styles and graphics. Official pricing details are not available because the product is still in the conceptual phase and has not yet hit the shelves. Current prices of foldable phones from Motorola and other brands suggest that the device is likely to be quite expensive, possibly exceeding $1,000. Barilla, which is one of the world's most prominent pasta manufacturers, has implemented a testing system for a sustainable energy supply called DLR HiFlex. This system uses ceramic particles capable of storing and transporting heat to generate energy and heat industrial processes. It harnesses solar energy. The energy can be supplied 24 hours a day by the system, which also helps reduce the amount of consumed fossil fuels. Since DLR HiFlex is a research project sponsored by the European Union's Horizon 2020 program, the product's price is not disclosed to the general public. However, there are estimates indicating that by the year 2025, the cost of concentrated solar power integrated with storage could be as low as 0.06 per kilowatt hour. Sunflower Home Heliostat is a device that has the ability to reflect solar light to a specific location, such as a garden, a roof, or a window. The company responsible for its design and distribution is Water, based in Massachusetts, United States of America. The Sunflower Home Heliostat includes a solar-powered controller that monitors the sun and adjusts the angle of the mirror panels to maintain the concentration of light on the target. The maximum amount of solar light it can redirect is 50,000 lumens, which is approximately equivalent to 50 light bulbs. A variety of applications are possible with the Sunflower Home Heliostat, including illuminating dimly lit rooms, melting ice, drying clothes, and cultivating plants. With an additional cost of $50 for an optional stand, the price is $399. Using a massive hydrogen balloon, the future Space Perspective capsule, also known as the Neptune craft, will transport its passengers to the farthest edge of space. Featuring a bar, a bathroom, reclining seats, plants, and a 360-degree panorama of Earth, the capsule is designed to provide a comfortable and luxurious space travel experience. Up to 8 passengers and 1 pilot can be accommodated in the climate-controlled and pressurized spherical capsule. The capsule will launch from various points around the globe, and the journey will take about 6 hours in total, with 2 of those hours spent floating at an altitude of 20 meters in the stratosphere. Afterward, the capsule will slowly sink into the water, and a ship will come to retrieve it and its passengers. This unique journey will cost $125,000 per passenger, and the inaugural flights are scheduled to take off in the second half of 2024. The futuristic technology that achieves frictionless movement using magnetic levitation is the Lexus Hoverboard. As part of its incredible motion campaign, the luxury vehicle brand Lexus designed it. The hoverboard is stylish, featuring a Lexus emblem mounted on top and a surface made of natural bamboo. Additionally, it has magnetic blocks made of superconductive material cooled using liquid nitrogen. A single track with embedded magnets is required for the operation of the hoverboard. These magnets repel the board and maintain its height. The Lexus hoverboard is still in its prototype phase and cannot be acquired by the general public, as it is designed for use in a specially built park. Regarding the levitating board, the hoverboard will cost somewhere between $10,000 to $20,000, but the price of the magnetic track, which is substantially higher, is not included in this amount. The aim of the MONOCAB project is to develop an innovative transportation solution that can be implemented in rural areas of Germany. An autonomous monorail system, electrically powered with gyroscopic stabilization operating on a single track, is an example of this. Applications are used to place orders for the cars, referred to as monocabs, and they can navigate on the same track in both directions. Various universities, research institutes, and local agencies are providing assistance for the initiative. As the project is still in development, the cost of a monocab has not been established yet. However, the project's website indicates that the goal is to make the monocab affordable and inexpensive for everyone. For people using wheelchairs, this incredible technology represents a significant breakthrough. Converting most manual wheelchairs into powerful electric vehicles is as easy as attaching a few screws. You can travel up to 50 kilometers on a single charge and reach speeds of up to 25 km/h with a 350W brushless hub motor. The intelligent controller allows you to manage speed, direction, and distance, along with a reverse function and cruise control. Battery life, speed, and distance are just a few of the metrics displayed on the LCD screen. Similarly, Gilani Mobility Electric Handbike, designed for wheelchairs, prioritizes user comfort and ease of use with an adjustable footrest and a foldable handlebar, making it convenient for storage and travel. Your mobility freedom and quality of life will be significantly enhanced. The price is approximately $3,290. The Lunar Cruiser is a pressurized rover capable of driving on the moon. It is crewed by professionals as part of NASA's Artemis program, developed in collaboration with JAXA and Toyota. The rover is expected to make use of fuel cell electric vehicle technology, and will have a range of over 10,000 kilometers on the lunar surface. Thanks to this technology, astronauts will be able to travel on the moon for up to 45 days. The Lunar Cruiser is in the production process, and it is projected to be launched in the second half of the 2020s. There is no publicly available information on the cost of the Lunar Cruiser, but it is estimated to be in the billions of dollars. Motoroid 2, the experimental electric motorcycle, employs cutting-edge robotics and artificial intelligence to forge a new bond between the rider and the machine. Additionally, it can balance itself, identify its owner, and respond to voice commands and gestures. Its unique leaf-shaped structure also adjusts to the rider's position and provides tactile cues designed to be constant companions to the rider. The Motoroid 2 model's concept exemplifies Yamaha's vision for the future of transportation. It is not a production model, so its release date and price are uncertain, but if it comes to market, some estimates place the price at around $10,000. This estimate is based on the cost of comparable electric motorcycles, as well as the anticipated expenses of the sophisticated technologies used. Air One Personal eVTOL. 2 people can ride in the electric multicopter that is the Air One Personal eVTOL. It takes off and lands vertically, featuring a central joystick, 2 tilted wings, and a tilting top cover. Its design is sleek, with a 771 horsepower battery and 8 coaxial propellers propelling it up to 250 km/h. It has an impressive range of 177 km on a single charge and can carry up to 250 kilos of payload, allowing users to take all their luggage and items. Flyby intent technology ensures that the Air One stays within a safe flight range and reduces hazards. The aircraft is also designed for exciting flight dynamics and personal ownership. The pilot just needs to indicate the desired route to the plane, and it will take care of the rest. Customers will be able to purchase the Air One starting from an initial price of $150,000 for the initial production version. Stringbike is a unique bicycle that replaces the more conventional chain and gears. The drive mechanism of a Stringbike is a system of ropes and pulleys. Hungarian engineers worked on this in the 90s, and Stringbike KFT launched it in the market in 2010. Instead of the usual circular sprockets of chain-driven bicycles, Stringbike features swinging arms on both sides. The rear wheel is driven by 2 Dyneema ropes connected to pulleys and cams. Even when the bicycle is stationary or loaded, the technology allows for smooth and quiet gear changes. Additionally, the system offers options for both symmetrical and asymmetrical pedaling, reduces maintenance, and eliminates the need for lubricants. Roads, mountains, cities, and handbikes are just a few of the variants available for Stringbike. Depending on the frame components and extras, the price can range from $1,499 to $4,999. The Verge TS Pro, an electric superbike named Verge TS Pro, generates 139 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque thanks to its unique integrated motor in the rear wheel. You can reach a maximum speed of 200 km/h on this motorcycle, and it takes only 3.5 seconds to go from 0 to 60 mph. The battery can provide power for up to 217 miles and has a capacity of 20.2 kWh. You can go from 0 charge to 80% charge in just 35 minutes, thanks to the motorcycle. Motorola Bendable Concept Mobile. Imagine a phone that can be a wrist stand, bracelet, or smartwatch. An adaptable phone, a phone with a flexible screen for any situation. The futuristic Motorola Bendable Concept Mobile showcases the potential of PED technology. This prototype phone includes a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus display that can be used as a smartphone or in different modes. It functions as the cover screen of the Razr Plus when wrapped around the wrist like a bracelet. It can stand upright to enjoy a smaller Android on a 4.6-inch screen. It can stand alone as a bipod for hands-free video calls and movies. The Motorola Bendable Concept Mobile serves as a phone, wearable gadget, and fashion piece. This device uses generative AI to represent your style and individuality. Upload or take a photo of your clothes to get AI-generated images that match your style. The $1,999 Motorola Bendable Concept Mobile is planned to be released in 2024. The Hydrofoiler SL3 is an electric water bike that allows you to pedal on the water's surface. It is an eco-friendly mode of transportation that combines the thrill of riding and flying with the serenity and beauty of the outdoors. With full acceleration mode, you can reach foiling speed and take off from any depth with up to 4.5 hours of riding time and the ability to customize the amount of electric assistance to your preference. Thanks to its modular design, which can be quickly assembled and disassembled into 5 sections. The Hydrofoiler SL3 is portable and easy to set up. Those who love water sports, exploration and adventure will surely love the Hydrofoiler SL, which will soon be released in other regions, with the current price of $14,790 in New Zealand. Unlike most bikes, Red Shark bikes are exceptional. These high-quality water bikes are a blend of a bicycle and a stand-up paddleboard, allowing you to use them on the water's surface. Depending on your needs and preferences, there are various models available for you to experience the thrill and independence of pedaling on water bodies like lakes, rivers, and the ocean. Red Shark. Bikes are perfect for various activities, whether fishing, exercising, catching waves, or simply relaxing. Besides being portable and easy to use, they are also environmentally beneficial. In addition to being ideal for various water activities, they can be transformed into a variety of uses, such as a kayak, scooter, workout equipment, yoga platform, or fishing gear depending on the model. Red Shark bikes can be purchased in the United States and Canada at prices ranging from $2,999 to $3,999. The eKICKSCOOTER C2 is not just a scooter, it's much more than that. Explore the world with your kids in a fun and eco-friendly way. The C2 allows you to chase the sun with elegance thanks to its aerodynamic design, bright lights, and 3 different driving modes. The C2 can adapt to your speed preferences, whether you want to accelerate to the maximum speed, travel at a constant pace, or enjoy a motor-assisted ride. Additionally, the C2 is easy to fold, carry, and store, making it an ideal choice for family vacations. And because it features a sturdy frame, a powerful motor, and a reliable brake, the C2 ensures a safe and comfortable journey for a distance of up to 6.8 meters. Priced at just $199,199, the C2 is the coolest gift that can be given to young people and teenagers. REVOLVE Air. There is a wheelchair called REVOLVE Air that can be folded and stored in an airplane's luggage compartment. It has 24-inch diameter wheels and can be folded, saving 60% of space when folded. Additionally, it is equipped with a state-of-the-art folding mechanism that simplifies the chair's opening and folding process. The REVOLVE Air is a wheelchair device designed to enhance the mobility and independence of wheelchair users, especially during travel. However, it is not yet available for purchase. Depending on the success of the Kickstarter campaign, it is expected to cost between $2,500 to $7,500. The REVOLVE Air is an innovative piece of design and invention that makes a significant difference in the wheelchair industry. The ReWalk Exoskeleton is a wearable robotic device that enables individuals with spinal cord injuries to walk, turn, and even climb stairs. It comes with a battery, a remotely controlled wristwatch, motorized motors for the knees and hips, and more. By utilizing body movements and buttons, it mimics the natural leg step pattern. It has a battery life of 8 hours on a single charge. The Food and Drug Administration has authorized the use of the ReWalk Exoskeleton for both recreational and medical purposes in the United States. People paralyzed in the lower limbs may experience improvements in their mobility, function, and quality of life. Secondary issues like pressure ulcers, muscle atrophy, and bone loss can be alleviated with its use. Depending on the type and maintenance fees, the ReWalk Exoskeleton can cost between $69,000 to $85,500. For those who qualify, Medicare will also cover the expenses. The Eachine E110 RC helicopter, small and resembling a military helicopter, is a drone that anyone can pilot. An optical flow sensor, a barometer, and a 720p camera provide stable flight and image transmission. With a modular battery, it features a 4-channel remote control and a 6-axis gyroscope. It can perform various stunts and stay in the air for 15 minutes. Unfortunately, the Eachine E110 RC helicopter is not currently available in Indonesia, but you can place an online order through our website or other distributors. The price range, which varies from 79,999 to 4,150 CITROEN, is determined by accessories and delivery expenses. A water bike that allows you to ride in rivers, lakes and seas is the Bike Surf Fitness Red Shark. Produced by Red Shark Bikes, a company focused on water sports, the Bike Surf Fitness comes with a HD PE frame, an inflatable board, a sports saddle, a drop bar style handlebar and 4 adjustable propellers. A repair kit, bottle holder, rudder and fin are also included. Those who want to exercise but also enjoy fresh air and beautiful scenery will love the Bike Surf Fitness. You can easily control it and it moves swiftly. Although not yet sold in Brazil, you can place an online order through the official website or other distributors, and the price can range from $2,500 to $3,400, depending on add-ons and delivery costs. The innovative Bike Surf Fitness combines the best of both worlds, surfing and cycling. Tesla Optimus Gen 2. Tesla's humanoid robot, the Tesla Optimus Gen 2, is the company's latest prototype designed to take on tasks that people find monotonous and repetitive. Tesla-built actuators and sensors are included, along with a neck that can move in 2 degrees of freedom, faster and capable hands, force and torque detection in the feet, enhanced balance, and full body control. It can walk 30% faster, handle delicate objects like eggs, and even dance. Although the Tesla Optimus Gen 2 is not yet available for purchase, it is expected to cost between $25,000 and $50,000. In addition to showcasing testing capabilities in artificial intelligence and robotics, it is an engineering and creative feat. CITROEN 1919 concept, in homage to the centenary of the French manufacturer CITROEN, presents the 1919 concept, an electric and autonomous vehicle. Its translucent capsule-shaped body, double perspex hood, and luminous sign incorporating the chevron's logos and the Origins emblem give it a futuristic appearance inspired by aerospace. Passengers feel like they are floating in the air thanks to the intelligent suspension system. Level 4 autonomous driving technology, an 800-kilometer range, and a personal assistant that communicates with passengers are features of this vehicle. Although not currently available on the market, the CITROEN 1919 concept is estimated to have a value of approximately €3 million. It exemplifies the possibilities of electric and autonomous transportation, being innovative and forward-looking. The Hydrofoil Albatros rocket was a Soviet Union project designed to reach orbit using a combination of a cargo plane, a space plane, and a hydrofoil. The hydrofoil would propel the cargo plane at speeds of up to 180 km per hour, carrying 200 tons of fuel. The spaceplane would then be flown to a high altitude by the cargo plane before disengaging and igniting its own rocket. Both the cargo plane and the hydrofoil could safely land on Earth. The spaceplane would go into low Earth orbit with a payload of 30 tons and 2 crew members. Despite never being realized, the Soviet Union's interest in reusable spacecraft was evident with the revolutionary and ambitious Hydrofoil Albatros rocket. The projected cost of the project remains a mystery, but given the complexity and size of the system, it would certainly be exorbitant. Proposed missions include the Mars sample return, aimed at bringing back soil and rock samples from Mars for detailed research. Robotic devices and a Mars ascent rocket would be used in the mission to collect and transmit samples of Martian soil, rocks, and atmosphere back to Earth. Coordination with the European Space Agency is underway in the mission planning phases. While not yet launched for procurement, the estimated cost of the mission is around $10 billion, covering all expenses related to development, launch, operation, and sample reception. Despite being in the planning stages, Earth is expected to receive the samples by 2033. The ambitious and costly Mars sample return mission has the potential to completely change how we perceive the red planet. The EazyMaker simplifies the task of changing sheets with the use of a wireless remote control and an air pump. The mattress can be raised up to 12 inches in less than a minute, making it easier for those who struggle to bend and lift due to situations such as pregnancy, knee pain, back pain, or other conditions. While not yet released, the EazyMaker is expected to be sold for around $140. You can show your support for the project and pre-order it on Kickstarter. A daily household chore is made easier with the help of EazyMaker, a useful and ingenious appliance that elevates the standard of living for many people. The e-Starling, utilizing a combination of helicopter and jet propulsion, can land and take off vertically. Created by the UK-based Aeros Systems, it aims to provide environmentally responsible and luxurious air transportation. With a maximum speed of 463 km/h, the e-Starling can carry up to 5 people and cover a distance of 1,000 kilometers. Reduced carbon emissions and noise pollution result from the use of biofuel generators in conjunction with its electric propulsion system. Additionally, the spacious and cozy cabin of the e-Starling is equipped with state-of-the-art flight amenities. While not currently available for sale, it is estimated to be priced around $3 million. The vehicle is currently undergoing certification and testing, with the company's goal to commence passenger flights by 2025. The blend of innovative technology, sleek design, and environmental concern makes the e-Starling a revolutionary aircraft in the air transportation landscape. The Sbarro 8 concept is a futuristic hot rod that combines the elegance of a stealth bomber with the power of a Maserati V8 engine. Designed by French students from the Aspera Sbarro Design School, it draws inspiration from vintage hot rods and mid-engine hatchbacks of the Group B rally era. The result is a breathtaking carbon fiber monstrosity with angular elements, exposed suspension, and side exhausts. The interior features wood, leather, and fiberglass, showcasing a smart radio and a tablet for entertainment. The Sbarro 8 concept, unique in its design, highlights the skill and imagination of young designers. The Sbarro Super 8, a 1984 hatch with a Ferrari 308 engine, is a comparable vehicle but not currently for sale. If interested, it can be located in Belgium for approximately $155,000, around $4,000. However, availability may be limited, so act quickly.